Alright, hello there people, this is Mr. Video Dude 709 and the storm is now started. It started just a few minutes ago. I already made a video of it. Yep. We were just like having a little bit of snow. Right now we're having like lots. It's like a blizzard out here. Just let me go check. Yeah, it's like pretty blizzardy out there. Yep. Yep, the wind is like going pretty high, and snow is not bad for now, but later on, the snow will be very severe indeed, guys. So like I said in the other video, I can't remember what I said now. Let me think. Oh yeah, so please don't go driving in the snow because it'll be so severe, and don't go don't go for walks in the snow, because if you do, you'll be freezing cold, man. Seriously, yeah. Anyway, so there'll be more updates on the storm later. So anyway, the next update will be at precisely 4:30 or so, and there'll be lots more updates later on. And there'll be updates from when the storm from when the storm started to when the storm ended. Anyway, so this is gonna be a really long weekend. Yep. So I really hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for some more updates coming soon. So I hope you guys like this video, and I guess all I need to know is bye.